Good job.
Here, look. Oh yes, they're burying it.
So today is a community tree planting event, so lots of local residents have come down to help plant the trees. This is really great because it shows people about the nature that we have in our local area, teaches them about our native plant species, shows them how they can take care of nature, shows them how easy it is to plant a tree and how much benefit it can have for wildlife, and hopefully people will be inspired to go away and look after wildlife in their local area in other ways as well. We're planting a mix of native species including oak, rowan, hawthorn, hazel, blackthorn, and these are all trees that we got free thanks to the Woodland Trust Free Trees for Schools and Communities scheme. We're planting them into a mixed native hedgerow here at the churchyard. This will be really great for biodiversity. Hedgerows provide food and shelter for all sorts of animals, including birds and hedgehogs. Bats like to move along them to feed as well. There'll be lots of insects on there, butterfly caterpillars feeding. It'll be really great for loads and loads of different types of biodiversity here in the churchyard. Native trees are really great because they support our native wildlife, so all of the insects and things that we have here and the pollinators, they've evolved alongside our native tree species, so they have that kind of relationship where the native plants help the native insects. It's also important to keep our native species going as well, so planting them as much as possible is really great.
I'm Dr. Helen Brown and we're with Habitats and Heritage, and we are conserving the Burton Mausoleum in a project called Burton Exploring Without Boundaries, which is a National Lottery Heritage funded project, and today we are planting trees. So the mausoleum is for Sir Richard Francis Burton and his wife Lady Isabel Burton. Sir Richard Burton was a Victorian explorer and traveller and a great linguist, and he is buried here in Mortlake. And part of our project is to conserve the mausoleum, the fabric of the building, and also to run an education and outreach project to get the story of him and his wife out to more people and add more narratives and more stories to that. The plan for the conservation of the building is we are going to clean up the outside, the exterior. We're also going to reinstate the door. So the door was, initially the door would have been open to the public all the time, but it was vandalised in the 1950s, so it's been bricked up ever since. The last time anybody went in was about 15 years ago, so very excitingly we are going to be reinstating the door, and we'll be able to run events and invite the public to come in and see the inside of this amazing building, and we'll also be tidying up and maintaining it long term.